While you're changing your clocks for daylight saving time this weekend, there's something else you might want to change. 1 of every 5 home fire deaths occurs in a house with a non-functioning smoke detector, according to the National Fire Protection Association. In nearly half of those fires, the alarms made no noise because the batteries were dead, missing, or disconnected. Fire departments say now is the time to make sure your smoke detector will work when you need it the most.
Twice a year when the clocks change, we tell the public that it's a good time to change your smoke detector batteries. It just ensures that there's a continuity of operation year-round. The best thing you can do is test them once a month, and then twice a year just replace the battery.
You might also want to check your smoke detector's date of manufacture so you'll know when to replace it. If you can't find a date of manufacture, likely your detector is too old and needs to be replaced.
This is a 22 News Storm Team weather alert.